Hey folks, got a 2011 CRV here with a little 4-cylinder. We are going to check the customer's air filter, which is found right in here. Okay, I'm going to see if he needs an air filter. Might have been changed once before, so let's go and do that. Show you how we're going to get to it. I find it easy to take this hose clamp off, okay, and just slide the hose off, and then it'll be easier to get to the air filter box. Now, the air filter box has 4 clips. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3 in the back, and then 1 right here, that's 4. So the 4 clips have to pop off in order for you to gain access to it. This one here, you can use a Phillips screwdriver. Just loosen this up, and you can pull this hose back a little bit. Okay. Just like that. The rest of it is going to come off when you lift it. All right, so let's do the 4 clips. Just push the clips back this way. It's 1, it's 2, 1 all the way in the corner here, 3, and the other one exactly where this connector is going down, 4. After you do that, this top cover has a little 2 little slots that the cover goes into. You're just going to pull it back this way a little bit and then lift it up and out. You can leave the connector on here because you're not really taking it off altogether, but if you want to, you can unplug it over here, and then there's a little Christmas tree clip there. Just knock it off and you can take this piece off. Otherwise, I'm just going to lift this up a little bit, push it off to the side. There you go, and take a peek at the filter. Okay, the top filter is usually where it's the dirtiest. I mean, the bottom is where it's dirtiest because that comes from the outside. All right, so yeah, that looks like it's good shape. Flip this way. It's not bad. No big debris in there. Okay, still clean inside. Now we're going to put this one back. This looks like an AutoZone air filter. SA10885. All right, let's put it back. Only goes in one way. Just follow the triangle. Sits just like that. This panel here, like I said, you're going to slide it into those 2 little slots there. Get to feel it by hand. Especially since I got the camera in my way here. So I'm going to connect that right there. You got to hear it sit in, right? So this hose is connected right there. This sat right in perfectly. I'm going to reach in and do the clip. It's a 1, or it's a silent clip. This one here would be 2. Get the one in the back, which is 3. And this one here, number 4. All right. I'm going to go and tighten up this clamp over here. Don't forget to tighten it. A lot of people put it all back together and forget about this, and then all of a sudden you got a little air leak. There you go. All right. There's an air filter change or your air filter check on a CRV Honda. 2011. And any other models that are similar just like it, pretty much goes the same way. All right. That's it. Thanks for watching, folks.